Collocations are words that naturally go together in English. Today, we learn collocations with the verb do. These are essential combinations that native speakers use every day. Examples include do homework, do business, and do your best. Collocations mean words that sound right together. Do homework sounds natural and correct, but make homework sound strange and wrong to native speakers. Collocations help you speak English like a native. Learning collocations makes your English sound natural. Native speakers say do homework, not make homework. When you use correct collocations, people understand you better and think you speak good English. Here are the most important collocations with do. Do homework means complete your school assignments. Do business means conduct commercial activities. Do your best means try as hard as possible. In daily life, we say do the dishes to mean wash dirty plates. Do the laundry means wash clothes. Do the shopping means buy groceries at the store. These are common household tasks. At work, we do a job, meaning perform work duties. Do research means investigate a topic carefully. Do damage means cause harm or destruction. These are professional collocations. For exercise, we do sport, do exercise, or do yoga. These mean participate in physical activities. Regular exercise keeps you healthy and fit. Remember these key collocations. Do your best, do business, do homework. Practice them daily. Using correct collocations brings you closer to native English fluency.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.